Gold bars versus coins? Which is better for retirement in 2025? In 2025, gold continues to be a trusted option for retirement planning. With rising inflation and unpredictable markets, many investors are turning to gold as a stable and long-term store of value. When investing in physical gold, you'll typically choose between gold bars, gold coins, or placing your gold into a gold IRA. Each has unique benefits, drawbacks, and roles in a smart retirement strategy. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Investing in gold bars versus coins for retirement. 1. Gold bars, best for bulk investment. Gold bars, also called bullion, are large, pure gold pieces, usually ranging from 1 ounce to 1 kilogram or more. Pros: lower premiums, bars cost less per gram compared to coins. High purity, most bars are 99.99% pure. Efficient storage, uniform shape makes storage easy in vaults or depositories. Cons: less liquid, larger bars are harder to sell quickly and may need verification. A saying: not divisible, you can't sell part of a bar, only the entire piece. 2. Gold coins, best for flexibility and liquidity. Gold coins are minted by governments and recognized worldwide. Common ones include the American Gold Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, and Kruger Rand. Pros: highly liquid, easier to sell or trade internationally. Small denominations, buy and sell in smaller amounts. Added value, some coins gain collector, numismatic value over time. Cons: higher premiums, coins cost more due to minting and demand. Takes more space, coins need more storage than bars of the same weight. 3. Gold IRA, tax-advantaged retirement gold. A gold IRA lets you hold physical gold in a retirement account, offering tax benefits similar to traditional IRAs. Benefits: hedge against inflation, gold protects purchasing power during downturns. Diversification, gold adds balance to stock-heavy portfolios. Tax breaks, enjoy tax-deferred, traditional IRA, or tax-free, Roth IRA growth. How to start a gold IRA: choose a custodian, use an IRS-approved firm. Fund your IRA, roll over from an existing IRA or 401k. Buy gold, pick IRS-approved bars or coins. Store securely, gold must be held in an approved depository. Review regularly, rebalance your holdings as needed. 4. Strategic tips for 2025. Global uncertainty, gold remains a reliable haven during political and economic crises. Rise of digital assets, physical gold is a solid backup to crypto and digital currencies. Stay compliant, follow the latest IRS rules for gold IRAs. Which option is best? Choose gold bars for low premiums and long-term bulk investment. Choose gold coins for ease of selling and flexible buying. Choose a gold IRA to combine gold safety with retirement tax advantages. Adding gold to your retirement plan in 2025 isn't just wise, it's a way to protect your wealth in a changing world. Whether you prefer bars, coins, or a gold IRA, the goal is the same: security, stability, and long-term value. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.